The need for an extension cord reel often arises when dealing with distant power outlets, particularly in workshop settings with heavy machinery. Whether you're tackling DIY projects or professional tasks, having the right extension cord reel is essential for maintaining a clutter-free workspace with convenient access to power sources. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 extension cord reels currently available on the market. If you're interested in learning more about the products we mentioned, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Will's extension cord reel. Will's heavy-duty cord reel offers unparalleled convenience and safety for your power needs. With a robust 12 AWG 3C SJ tow cord extending 40 feet, this reel provides ample reach and resilience. Its automatic retracting feature ensures tangle-free storage, while the built-in 15A circuit breaker prioritizes safety. The swivel bracket allows versatile mounting options, enhancing accessibility. Crafted with durability in mind, it's resistant to oil, water, and weather, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. This reel embodies reliability and innovation, delivering seamless power management for both households and professional settings. At number 2, Link 2 Home Extension Cord Reel. If you're seeking the most cost-effective choice, the Link 2 Home 60-foot cord reel stands out as the ideal solution. Boasting 4 power outlets and a sturdy 14 AWG SJTW cable, facilitating the connection of diverse power equipment. Its tangle-free cord management ensures utmost convenience, maintaining tidiness for future use, and is enhanced by a secure cord locking mechanism. Featuring a built-in circuit breaker, it shields devices from potential damage caused by overloads. Its durable build and compact design make it suitable for a range of environments, from home workshops to outdoor settings. At number 3, the Flexilla Extension Cord Reel. The Flexilla retractable cord reel is designed with 50 feet of oil-resistant 14.3 AWG SJ tow cord, along with a lighted triple tap outlet and a grounded 5-foot lead-in cord. This design delivers practicality, durability, and reliability to fulfill various indoor power needs with ease. Its retractable design ensures easy storage without tangles, offering the flexibility to adjust the cord length as needed. This extension cord reel features a circuit breaker with a reset button and a power indicator light for safety and user convenience. The swivel mounting bracket facilitates adaptable installation options, whether on the wall or ceiling, while the oil-resistant construction ensures long-lasting performance. Now number 4, the Vevor Retractable Extension Cord Reel. Next up is the Vevor Retractable Cord Reel, designed to streamline power management with its durable construction and versatile features. Featuring a robust 65-foot 12 AWG 3C SJ tow cord, accompanied by a lighted triple tap outlet and a 4.5-foot lead-in cord, this reel ensures reliability across various indoor applications. Its automatic retractable system and 180-degree swivel bracket offer convenient cord management and flexible installation on ceilings or walls. Prioritizing safety, it comes with a built-in 15-amp circuit breaker and UL certification. From garages to construction sites, the Vevor cord reel delivers dependable power access and organization. Now, our last product is the Copper Peak Extension Cord Reel. For individuals requiring an extension cord reel suitable for medium to heavy tasks, the Copper Peak Extension Cord Reel presents a blend of convenience, safety, and effectiveness for your workspace. It offers a practical solution aimed at streamlining power management across various settings, including garages, workshops, construction sites, or homes. With a robust 50-foot 14 AWG cable and 3 electrical outlets, this reel ensures reliability and versatility. Its 180-degree swivel mechanism facilitates effortless installation on walls, ceilings, or workstations, ensuring flexibility and accessibility. Compact, reliable, and durable, it promotes a tidy workspace while incorporating essential safety elements such as grounded outlets and an overload breaker switch. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to make your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video.